Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can underline text in WPS Office. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a document in my WPS Office, and as you can see, I have added my text and I'm going to underline this text. First thing first, you need to select your text like this, and then you are going to click on this U icon or the underline icon. Just tap on it, and as you can see that the text has become underlined text. And if you want to customize the type of the underline, you can click on this little arrow, and then you will be able to choose the type of the underline. Wait, I'm going to change it guys. I'm going to select this one. You can also change the underline color. Just go to the underline color and you will be able to change the color. Alright guys, and that's all the way to underline text in WPS Office. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.